Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Emily, the home bookkeeper, and on this channel I help business owners and fellow freelance bookkeepers navigate the ever-changing QuickBooks Online, while also sharing insightful videos on all things business ownership and finance. In today's video, we are covering the 2021 Section 179 details and qualifications, better known as the 100% deduction or the free car deduction. I have been considering getting into something a little bit bigger than my current 2020 Ford Escape and decided to look into Section 179 to see if the IRS has made any changes for 2021 filings. I found so many videos on the topic, I figured I would give my own 2 cents for my viewers here on YouTube. So what is Section 179? Section 179 of the U.S. Internal Revenue Code is an immediate expense deduction that business owners can take for purchases of depreciable business equipment instead of capitalizing and depreciating the asset over a period of time. However, the Section 179 deduction can only be taken if the piece of equipment is purchased or financed and the full amount of the purchase price is eligible for the deduction. So why Section 179? This allows business owners to lower their current year tax liability rather than capitalizing an asset and depreciating it over time in future tax years. Section 179 is limited to a maximum deduction of $1,050,000 and a value of property purchased to $2,620,000 for the year 2021. Small business owners are welcome. The Section 179 expensing method is offered as an incentive for small business owners to grow their business with the purchase of new equipment. This speedy deduction can provide substantial tax relief for business owners who are purchasing startup equipment. Section 179 expense deduction is limited to such items as cars, office equipment, business machinery, and computers. And the equipment must qualify for the deduction per the specifications within Section 179 of the tax code, and the purchase price must be within the dollar amount ranges allowable by the code. The property must be placed in service during the tax year for which the deduction is being claimed. The equipment, vehicles, and/or software purchased under Section 179 must be used for business purposes more than 50% of the time to qualify for the deduction. Simply multiply the cost of the equipment, vehicle or vehicles, and/or the software by the percentage of business use to arrive at the monetary amount eligible for the Section 179 deduction. Equipment covered by the deduction might also qualify for bonus depreciation, which further reduces the business owner's tax bill. For example, imagine that a company has purchased a new piece of machinery used 100% for business purposes at a cost of $50,000 in zero salvage value. The company could take that asset and depreciate it over the course of 5 years as $10,000 each year. Section 179 would instead allow the company to write off the entire $50,000 in the current year. The maximum amount you can elect to deduct from most Section 179 property you placed in service in the tax year is $1,050,000, according to the Internal Revenue Service, which also limits the total amount of the equipment purchased to a maximum of $2,620,000 in order to qualify. For business resources, my online self-paced home bookkeeper masterclass, business supplies, gadgets, must-haves, and more, make sure to check out edjconsultinggroup.com/resources, linked below. And of course, like this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on those bell notifications so you'll never miss an upload. For even more behind-the-scenes content of life as a home bookkeeper, feel free to follow me on Instagram @EmmaDawn and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you need more assistance, personal financial coaching, or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to email or visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.